pulling a Nospet on it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Jesus.
Tortured Rage. Sky and Sea.
Buffs, then cone.
Tortured Rage. Sky and Sea. Cone of Death. Soul Blight Orb. Tortured Rage. Sky and Sea.
Jesus.
Escorting.
Cone.
Cone of Death. Sky and Sea. Tortured Rage. Soul Blight Orb.
Second potions.
Escorting.
Tortured Rage.
Cone.
Cone of Death. Sky and Sea.
Spread, everybody.
Tortured Rage.
Cone.
Soul Blight Orb. Cone of Death.
Oh.
Sky and Sea. Tortured Rage.
Not gonna skip, so get in position for next cone.
Sky and Sea. Tortured Rage. Cone of Death.
No gazers, good. Fucking rank 1 pull right here.
Let's go, boys. Give it to him.
Give me sec, actually.
Free spread for gazers.
Edge of Obliteration.
Stay in the tank.
There's some bleed damage on the tank again.
I bark.
Taunting.
Okay. Range back off, little bombs now.
Edge of Obliteration.
Holding next.
Big bomb here, make sure you're forward. Tank.
Spread.
Gazers, gazers.
Edge of Obliteration.
Salt.
We can slow our damage a little bit.
No, don't have to, it's fine.
Hmm.
Still 4% left. Yeah, still 4% left to go in.
Okay. Keep going, guys.
Well, call a stop if it gets too close.
Edge of Obliteration.
Bombs need to be out now. Swap on 2.
Yeah,
Alright.
just push him over.
Just keep pushing.
Fucking perfect, to be honest. It couldn't have been better, really.
Push. Thought we were going too fast, even. What the hell?
Oh, no.
And come on up. Everything you have. Stay safe. Take as few stacks as humanly possible.
Free. End it all!
fuck's sake, Lucky. I'll do it super loud, mate. Everyone will hear it. By everyone, I meant everyone on my street.
I am popping a repair bot, by the way.
Always one.
Put it on the blade stack.
How after this pull?
Probably didn't repair before like logging off last night or some shit.
Watch out.
End of all things.
Okay, bashing boys. Let's do this shit.
End of all things.
Forget your potion, by the way.
Edge of annihilation.
It's first, there's one.
Edge of annihilation.
In between and on. This scythe
On.
as well. The gaze is right after loose spread. Very close spread. Good. Bait the orb, close to the wall as you can get. All the way to the right. Good.
Initialization
Thing next.
sequence. Tortured rage.
Move.
Stuff. Chains now. Fucking telling you, rank one pull. Holy fuck. Hopping off.
I'm escorting you.
Chains. You should go together. Oh, yeah, you should go together.
I mean, it's
Good. Survive this now.
Next tick, we're using Healthstone.
Good. Now be on the right hand side. Go now. Everyone in the corner.
Die from next.
Good. Kill it.
Initialization sequence.
Start moving. And get ready to spread for gazes. Now.
Sargeras gaze on you. Edge of annihilation. Titan
And
forging.
I'm stuck.
Edge of annihilation.
Boss
Unleash
percentage is
rage.
fucking sick. Don't
Unleash
waste this now.
rage.
Don't waste this. It's fucking amazing.
No change.
No change as well. 3, 2, 1, go.
There's a lot of orbs.
Grey's already dead. It's fine. Doesn't matter. Orb in the corner now. Everyone in the corner now.
Dying here.
Initialization sequence.
Get me up.
Tortured rage.
2 orbs incoming.
Move. Okay, edges, gazes, and chains. I'm gonna call the chain breaks. Don't double snap. Edges first.
Can someone
Edge of
take the orb
annihilation.
coming in front of the boss?
I do.
No.
Tank
Edge
took
of
it.
annihilation.
Okay, in between and on.
On.
On then in between.
On,
On then in
on,
between,
on.
sorry.
Torture
On then in
rage.
between.
Split pop times them.
And then slight spread for gazes. And then gone, slight spread. And then
Dying
get in
here.
position,
Gonna die
close to the
here.
right. That's it, perfect. Wusong breaky chain.
Initialization
Rest future.
sequence.
Can I get some room? The Warlock guy? Room?
Kill the orb. The boss a little bit. Killing the orb, keep killing the orb. Move. Express breaky chain. Rage incoming. Make sure you have a cooldown for this now. Don't die.
Potions.
Tortured rage.
There's a rage. Don't die. Don't die. Good.
Healthstones if you're too low.
Okay, another rage now. Another rage now.
Tortured
A lot
rage.
of orbs.
Smack the boss.
Okay, good. Remember, if you die, you help
Another
pick up
rage.
orbs for Grey.
Tortured rage.
Okay, there's gonna be a gaze and
Dying
then another
next.
chain. Gaze and another chain. Don't panic. Loose spread. Don't break your chain.
Sargeras gaze on you.
Alright, back in position.
I'm
Hey,
breaking mine.
Shrew, break your chain. Oh, okay, Ekli, break your chain. Shrew,
Initialization
smack the boss.
sequence.
Shrew, smack the boss. Kill the orb.
On that orb, guys.
There'll be a
Don't
rage.
move into me.
There'll be a rage soon.
I bubbled.
Move out. Everybody move out. Move the boss, move the boss. Good.
Less than 5.
Break it
Shrew,
through.
Shrew's chain is gonna break by itself. It's fine.
Tortured rage.
Soak orbs around.
Don't die here. Don't die here. Every cooldown you've got.
Bloodlust?
Good. Bloodlust and nuke. All you do is
Fine.
nuke the boss now.
Next.
You spread for the gaze and you nuke
Alright.
the boss.
Tortured Rage.
Spread for the gaze, nuke the boss. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Wait until they've gone.
You die, release,
Tortured
catch,
Rage.
orbs.
Spread. And don't break the chain. If you have the chain, don't break.
Sumptuous Gaze on you.
Have a backup. Don't break the chain.
1 second.
Don't hit the orb. Just kill the boss.
Initialization sequence.
Kill the boss. Kill the boss.
I have fucking.
Go, go, go.
Kill the
Watch
boss.
out
Kill
for
the
the
boss.
orb.
Just
I'm-
fucking kill
How
it.
fucking
Just
kill it!
Yes! Yes! Oh, yes! I got it, man! Whoa!
Yes.
I got the side! I got the side!
That's it!
Holy
985
fucking
side!
hell.
Let's fucking go, boys!
I died because of nice personal loot, Timmy.
Oh, it's personal loot?
That's
Nice.
fucking fine to be
I
honest.
know
Well
it's not.
done,
It's
boys.
all coins. It's all coins.
Holy fuck.
I hate
You
my
Uh,
piece of life, man. I
where's-
died in execute.
Lenny is must loot.
What? Oh, fuck
Nice
me.
DPS erect.
Oh my fucking god.
Can't you kill it? Lenny, can't you give it to me and then I do?